Let me show you what I plan to pack for our island holiday in Fiji. So this is a gorgeous little leather case that my husband bought me for Christmas. So I thought I would show what I'm going to place in it. I've started off with the James Cosmetics. This is a 3-in-1, so it's a moisturizer and mask. So I thought this would be a great product to take, along with the James eye cream as well. Now this has a great little applicator at the end and really helps sort of vibrate under the eye. I figured while we're away, I would still like to do a little bit of self-care in the evenings and really just help my skin drink in some gorgeous products and keep hydrated while we're over there, experience a little bit more sun than usual. And yes, I am wearing a sarong dress. These are a couple of SPF sunscreens. These are from Skkn. I'm loving this one here. This is but all called Nifty 50, but this is the hydrating daily one, and it does feel super hydrating, really nice. I love the packets. It's really nice and easy to take. So I think I'm going to take both of these. I just think we're going to need it while we're over there. My youngest is quite a brown little berry, but he does need sunscreen. This one here is a gorgeous one from Amora Beauty, and I love the fact it comes on a stick form. So easy to put on. So I'm thinking that would be great for at the beach. Now, two foundations. One is the Youngblood, and the other one was the Home Beauty. It's more of a primer. Decided to go with the Youngblood today because I will be going out to the shops, obviously not in my sarong dress, although I could pass. So I thought I will put on something with a little more coverage. The Home Beauty primer is a little bit more of just a glowing sort of skin tint primer, just evens out the skin, and I thought perfect when you're on a holiday. You know, when we're going out at night to dinner, I don't want to put a lot of makeup on, but it will be nice to have a little something on the face after a day out in the sun. So I'm just buffing this on with one of the BK Beauty foundation brushes, and I will be taking my brushes with me. Can't help myself, I must take all my makeup brushes. I'll probably take about 6, I think. Now this is the Merit Beauty. This is the balm. It's more of a contour balm. It's quite sheer, and this one's from St. Renais. So I think the St. Renais one I will definitely use today. It does pack a bit more punch as far as color goes, and as you can see, I can do my whole face with this one little product. So just blending it in with this same foundation brush, see how it's not as heavy as it looks, and it just adds a little bit of shape, a flush of color. I kind of already look like I'm sun-kissed. Yes, it is summer here in Australia as well, so we have had a bit of sun. So yes, looking a bit sun-kissed, or a bit burnt from the other day. And I placed it on my eyes as well. This helps create a little bit of contour, and you could leave it there if you wish. Another St. Renais, this is called Genoa, so it's more of a pinky shade, and I thought this would just be really pretty to add that flush of color. I love the Rumi Cosmetics, been using this for a couple of years now. This is the Power Brow. This will be very easy to take with me in my makeup kit, so very easy products. This is the Pony Cosmetics, the eyeshadow palette. It's got some nice tans and pinks. And then I'm going to take the Soleil bronzer from Youngblood and also the Mineral Radiance one as well. I'll show you that later. Now this one is the Soleil. So it's just the bronzer, and I'm just placing it in the socket line. This I feel will be like my go-to makeup for the evenings, just to feel like I've got a little bit on and feeling a little bit done. I love this shade. It really is the perfect contour shade for the eyes. I also love to run a little bit underneath the eyes as well, help them look a little bit bigger. Now this is the other Mineral Radiance. This is in Sunshine, and I'm just placing this, or Sundance I should say, on the eyeballs there, just that shimmer. A little bit of brown eyeliner across the lash line there, and then just pulling out a very tiny baby wing with my fingernail. And I love popping it on the top waterline. That just adds a little bit of weight without putting on too much makeup. This way you don't have to have a huge big line all over your nice eyeshadow. This is the Rumi Cosmetics mascara as well in black. If I decide to set it, I will take one of my setting powders. This is the Medium Rice Powder by Youngblood. It is just really nice. It's just not too heavy. So this is the final look, just cleaning my sunnies here. Just want to show you my little sarong dress, getting in the mood for a summer holiday. Let me know what you think.